you ever thought about moving somewhere rural outside of the city, running away from all the stress? Somewhere like Flamborough, Hamilton? If you do, please watch this video and you're going to find out why rural properties might not be for you. I'm Milena, and I'm a local real estate agent in Burlington, Ontario. The good news is that our team drops content every week about how is it to live in our area. If this is your first time on our channel and you want to know everything about living in our area, subscribe below, tap the bell for notification, and you're going to be the first one to know about the current markets. We help people just like you all the time. So it doesn't matter if you're moving in a week, a month, or a year. Feel free to reach out. Our information is in the description box below. You can reach us via email, phone call, Zoom, whatever works for you. We are there for you. All right, let's start with the first reason that this place might not be for you. So imagine you need to do groceries or major shopping, going to Costco. What is the nearest place? Usually it's Ancaster if it's Costco, or Burlington. That means it's outside of your area. Then you do the basic groceries. You can use Waterdown, Dundas, Hamilton, Burlington again. But still, the major groceries are not around the corner. Is this something that you would consider when you move there? Is it something that you can live with? Can you drive every time half an hour to an hour with the traffic? It just depends where you live to do your grocery. There are much closer areas to Waterdown and Dundas that you can hop on and do whatever it needs to be done. But, if you're further north, further rural, then the distance really matters. So are you up for this challenge? Imagine also, you need to go to the doctor. How close is the nearest medical center to you? Drive first. When you pick up a property, or if you're thinking of that, drive, see what amenities are nearby, and then make this major decision. Second reason, transit and commute. Do you really want to be stuck somewhere so rural that takes you forever to go to work, to bring your kids to activities? Think about it. There is no buses, trains, nothing that accommodates you. The nearest you can go either to Aldershot or to Hamilton to get the train to Toronto if you need to go there. Think really twice before you choose a rural property. Yes, it has its perks. You have this huge land. You can build a beautiful house there. You can enjoy the peace and quietness, recreation, and everything that comes with it. But stuck in the traffic for much more than you usually are if you live in a city, oh my gosh, this is definitely something to consider. The third reason is, of course, the real estate and what it offers them, the peace and the quietness, the independence. And this is the area that we are going to look into today. I pulled a couple of houses from the middle because it's close to Burlington, Hamilton, closer to the amenities. On this side, it's closer to Cambridge. So, it's a pretty large area. Eventually, you find your own niche, right? So here is the first one, almost 2 million, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. It's very large home. The square footage is average. What it's posted here, you can look at the description, but it's near Highway 6. And here you go. You enter in a beautiful garden already. You have a nice shed. And the home is amazing, outstanding, fully renovated. And that's what you get there. That's why people are moving, not just for the land, but if they're new homes, they're fully done as a turnkey, very spacious, lots of lights. You don't have to worry that the neighbors will peek through the windows. Then you also can have that 8.5 million. Now we are talking estate. So you can even see that there is a golf course behind. Pretty nice. Again, very large home. Then another variety that you can find in the area is actually a tiny bungalow that people buy because of the land. So here you go. It's a torn down house. Basically, it's the land what is valuable that you're gonna tear it down and build your dream home here. And then in the corner closer to Kitchener, you can find something for 2.5 million. Again, very large home. And look at the entrance.
the picturesque environment, high ceilings. So you can see that there are really very different price points in the area. 1.6 was the average, but you can find something from 1 million all the way to 10, 15 million. And it depends what you're looking into it. If that's something that it will interest you, you can check it out and let me know.
And I want to end the chapter about the real estate and the prices with this thought. Yes, you have beautiful land. Yes, it's a lot and you can do anything you want on it. But this land needs to be kept. You need to maintain it. It needs time and resources. Do you have all this in your disposal? Think about before you decide to buy it. This is the end of the video for the rural properties in Flamborough, and I hope you found the information beneficial and it will help you make a decision if it's for you or not to move somewhere rural. Please consider the positive and the negative aspects when you make a decision. And if you need any help finding a home in the GTA area, feel free to reach out. My information is in the description box below. You can reach me via email, phone call, Zoom, whatever works for you. I am there for you. Thank you again for staying with me throughout the video, and I will see you on the next one.